When astronomers first catalogued 3I Atlas in July 2025, the world barely noticed. After all, it was just another interstellar traveler, another piece of cosmic debris wandering through the vast emptiness between stars. The third object of its kind ever seen, sure, but still, by all appearances, nothing more than a silent visitor passing through the solar system on a one-way trip. But then the James Webb Space Telescope, arguably the most powerful eye humanity has ever opened to the cosmos, locked onto it. And what it saw changed everything. This wasn't just an icy rock being warmed by the sun. Deep within 3I Atlas, something was glowing. Not randomly, not chaotically, but rhythmically, like a pulse, like a heartbeat. And as the days went by, what started as a strange curiosity began evolving into something far more disturbing. Brightness levels soared beyond prediction. The object began emitting thermal energy from within, not from its sunlit surface. Then came the signals, radio pulses repeating with inhuman precision. And finally, the course change. The object veered, intentionally. This wasn't a rock on a passive path. This was an object behaving with intent, and possibly with awareness. Something is inside 3I Atlas, and the James Webb Telescope may have just confirmed that it's alive. At first, it was just a statistical outlier, a bright dot among many in the Webb Telescope's infrared feed. But as the team reviewed the data from the NIRSPEC instrument, one anomaly refused to be dismissed. 3I Atlas didn't behave like any other object in space. Typical interstellar visitors dim and brighten irregularly as they spin, eject material, or reflect sunlight unevenly from icy surfaces. But 3I Atlas showed no such variability. Instead, its brightness remained eerily constant. Even more alarming, the object emitted a centered, focused glow from its core, like a miniature furnace pulsing at exact intervals. Every 4 hours, the heat surged and faded in a perfectly timed cycle, like a biological rhythm. The pattern was too precise to be geological. It didn't correspond to rotation, solar wind, or any known natural process. It came from deep inside, completely unaffected by the changing angle of sunlight or the object's distance from the sun. Scientists called it a thermal anomaly, but off the record, some began whispering another word: heartbeat. The pulse was slow, deliberate, and mechanical, resonating not like a star's radiation, but like an engine breathing in deep space. Something inside this object was generating internal energy, independent of external forces. And for those studying the patterns, one terrifying question began to emerge: what kind of object powers itself?